Hey everyone, welcome back to Earth Echoes Vibes. Today, I'm sharing a simple, healthy, and gluten-free recipe that's perfect for a delicious weeknight dinner: baked salmon with roasted vegetables. It's loaded with flavor, nutrients, and comes together in no time. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need: 2 salmon fillets, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 cup of baby carrots, 1 cup of Brussels sprouts, halved, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, like thyme or rosemary, and lemon slices for serving. Let's start by prepping our veggies. Take the broccoli florets, baby carrots, and halved Brussels sprouts, and spread them out on a baking sheet. Drizzle everything with about a tablespoon of olive oil, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and minced garlic, and toss to coat. Now we'll roast the vegetables in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. This will give them a head start while we prepare our salmon. While the veggies are roasting, let's season our salmon. Drizzle the salmon fillets with olive oil, then sprinkle on some salt, pepper, and herbs of your choice. I'm using thyme and a touch of rosemary for a fresh, aromatic flavor. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten up the dish. Once the veggies have roasted for 20 minutes, remove the baking sheet from the oven and give them a quick toss. Now, gently place the seasoned salmon fillets on top of the veggies and pop everything back into the oven for another 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your salmon. And there you have it. Perfectly baked salmon on a bed of roasted vegetables, all done in under 30 minutes. The flavors are simple but so satisfying. To finish it off, I like to serve the salmon with some lemon slices on the side for that extra zing. This dish is not only gluten-free but also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, a perfect balance for a wholesome dinner. Just look at those beautiful colors. The salmon is tender and flaky, and the veggies are roasted to perfection. It's an easy meal that tastes amazing and is great for your body. The salmon is so flavorful, and the veggies have that perfect roasted crunch. You'll love this recipe whether you're cooking for yourself or a crowd. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Earth Echoes Vibes for more healthy, delicious meals.